Yo, what's good? It's your boy Ebis Hernandez, and this is I Spy NY. Today we're going to Mount Beacon.
Yo, what's good, man? Just got up to Beacon, about to do this trail with my boys. Never did this, and we're hiking in the snow. So I hope I'm ready for this, man. I don't think I got the right boots on, but ride or die, let's go.
From the trailhead to the fire tower is about a 2-mile hike, 1,600 feet above sea level. It takes about an hour to get up there.
Yeah, cuz. Come on, baby. That was just the beginning. How was your warm-up?
It's crazy. I don't know if I'm ready for it. Whew, my legs are already tight. You ain't even get that far. I didn't practice. Nothing. It was just like, yo, E, you wanna go hiking? I was like, fuck it. Whew.
Cousin went to Iceland and hiked out there before. You heard, G? Oh. Cousin.
Homie right here?
Yeah. That's what I'm like, this is life for him. Like,
He in there.
was in the real icebergs and shit.
So while they was thinking that, I was thinking this.
The truth is I want to give up already and go back. But since COVID, I feel like I've been giving up on a lot of shit. Gave up a lot of my power. Lost the person I'm used to being. And this hike and linking up with my boys is one of the first steps for me in getting back to being the person I know I'm capable of. So I'm not gonna give up, and I'm gonna get up this fucking hill no matter how fucking hard it is, and no matter what the fuck my body's telling me. God got my back. My brothers got me. Anyhow, man, think big, live large. That's what the fuck I've been saying, and I just gotta remember that shit.
And thank God I didn't give up, because when we got to that first peak, the views were just amazing. The clouds were just like hovering over the city. It looked like a canvas to me. We took a bunch of pictures up there and we just kicked it and chatted for a little bit before we kept pushing up to the fire tower. But I loved every moment of it. And that beautiful animal is called Gigi Hikes. She got an Instagram you guys need to check out. I love her.
Yo, cuz, check this out, man. I got a vision. So I'm gonna lay in the sand, all right?
The snow.
In the snow, sorry. In the snow like an angel. You know what I'm saying? Lay like this. I want you to put the drone here, and I want you to take it off.
Nah.
Fire.
I ain't doing this
It's gonna come out crazy, bro. I'm telling you.
Cuz those
shot.
blades could cut you, cuz.
Nah, it ain't gonna cut me. I trust you. I know you ain't gonna cut me. Let's do it.
All right, fuck it. Let's do it.
And we did it. He didn't get cut, but I think he looks more like an airplane than an angel there. Or maybe I just really want to fly that bad. After this one, I need palm trees and an ocean.
Ooh, this has been great, man. So far, my knee hurts a little bit. I always have knee issues, though. So I'm just pushing through and listening to my body and, you know, taking my time on some of these inverts when we get to them. That's why I haven't been filming a lot on them. But yeah, man, this is Mount Beacon. I hope you are enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you do, hit like on the button, grab your crew, your friends, and come out here and do this, man. It's mad fulfilling when you get through it, man. Like I was telling you earlier, I wanted to just turn the fuck around, man. But, you know, I'm here and I already feel like more alive. Like, you know, it's weird. Like, I don't know, man. 2020 been crazy. I hope you are finding a way to keep your peace and stay yourself, because it's very easy to lose yourself. Trust me, I was there. Shit, I'm still there, but I see the light. So they just stopped to do a scene, but I'm gonna keep walking because I'm the slowest one. So I'm gonna take advantage and get ahead, and I'm sure they'll catch up to me. But this is also the part of the movie where, you know, that one guy disappeared. So wish me luck, guys, okay? So I'm at a fork in the road right now, and I don't know if I should go left or right. My cousins are behind me working on their scene, and the other guys already are too ahead for me to see. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck to do right now. I don't even see the red markers that say, hey, this is part of the trail still. Like, what the fuck? Make a phone call. Yo, Yams. Yo, so right now I'm at a fork in the road. This is like way behind me. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at, see if you recognize it, tell me which way to go, okay?
Alright, just see if you see any of the red. You don't see the red trail here?
I don't see any red markers on these two big inclines.
Okay, let me see. Yeah, follow the footsteps. You can't really go wrong.
They both got footsteps. Yeah.
That's what I hear.
It's actually a three-way. I could go all the way to the left. I could go like in the middle. I could go all the way to the right. This shit like some Alice in Wonderland shit.
Yeah, just keep going up. Whichever way's up.
All right, that one's all the way up. All right, I'm going all the way up. Ooh, I thought I got lost, bro. I didn't see no more trail markers.
Oh, shit.
Take care, brother. Ooh. Yeah, I saw no more trail markers. I was like, shit, I'm lost. So I kept pushing forward, and then I got past one little like hill, and I was able to see this tower that I knew was the rally point. So, whew, almost there, baby. Hey. Just made it to the top of Mount Beacon. In the beginning, it was definitely a struggle for me. I wasn't ready, my body wasn't ready, but as I convinced myself to keep going and not give up, I was able to do it, man. It's all a lot of mental battles and shit. And yeah, man, I'm just really happy I made it up here. It was a beautiful time so far. I'm about to get some shots up here. No way you can't come to Mount Beacon and not climb up these steps.
And shout out to the Mount Beacon Fire Tower Restoration Committee for rebuilding these steps in 2013. The names you see on the steps are of the individual donors for each step. Now, these towers were popular in the 1900s. Somebody would literally sit in there to look out for fires in the valley and then send like a carrier pigeon to tell people where the fire was. That's insane to me. You couldn't leave us up there. We be playing spades. The whole valley's gonna burn.
Listen, what up, man? It's your boy Ebis Hernandez. I made it to the top of Mount Beacon, climbed up to the fire tower, and this view is just beautiful. It was worth it. My body hurts, but my soul is just alive, man. This is only like 40 minutes to an hour north of New York City. It's not even far, so anybody who feels like they're trapped at home because of COVID and you can't travel and go on an adventure, this is something for you to do. I literally ran into only like 2 people on this trail. So come on a nice cold day like this and just dress warm and you'll have this whole beautiful sight to yourself, man.
You could take the train up here from New York City. You hop on the Metro North and get off at Beacon, and the city of Beacon has free shuttle service every half hour that brings you to the trailhead where we started our hike at.
I just finished the trail to the top of Mount Beacon. On my way down right now at the moment. It's been an amazing hike with my closest friends that I've grown up with. And yeah, I just want to encourage you guys to come outside and be active and in the most respectful way, take a hike. All right? This is I Spy NY with Ebis Hernandez, and I'm just showing you parts of New York and things you could do local while you can't travel international or feel safe traveling during these COVID times. All right, guys? Think big, live large. Peace.
Coming. You hear me? No, you hear me. You know I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm on your ass. I can't stop. I can't stop. Yo, I couldn't stop. Yo, I couldn't stop, bro. Dead ass.
Yo, I thought I was bugging. He was like, I know you hear me.
I know you hear me.
Yo, the moment I stopped running, oh, shit, actually. Like, fuck.
Yeah. Yo, fell on his ass, B.